Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install tax loss harvesting with Betterment, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Betterment website. Log in to your Betterment account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Invest tab located at the top of the page. Scroll down to find the tax loss harvesting feature. Click on Tax Loss Harvesting to open its dedicated section. If you are not yet enrolled, you may need to opt in for this feature. Read through the benefits and risks associated with tax loss harvesting. After reviewing, click on the Get Started button. You will be guided through a series of prompts to set up tax loss harvesting. Provide any requested information about your investment goals and preferences. Next, Betterment may ask you to review your current portfolio allocations. After reviewing, confirm that you wish to enable tax loss harvesting. Ensure that you understand how this feature will modify your investment strategy. Once confirmed, Betterment will automatically begin monitoring your portfolio for tax loss opportunities. You will receive notifications about any realized losses to be harvested. Regularly check your dashboard to stay informed about your investment performance. Review the tax loss harvesting results typically generated quarterly. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed based on your investment strategy. Finally, consult with a tax advisor if you have further questions about the tax implications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.